There's advantages and disadvantages to PEX plumbing. It's quickly becoming the new industrial standard. First, I'll go through the advantages. It's really easy to install. This really drives the labor prices down. Because the pipe flexes, you don't need as many fittings. If the water's acidic, it doesn't eat through the copper. Plastic is cheaper than copper. You don't need a torch, so you're not fighting with the fire. Because this pipe flexes, there's no air hammer. That is, when you turn off the water fast, you don't hear that hammering sound. If the pipes are in really cold conditions, these won't burst as easily as the copper. Because the pipe flexes, you will use less fittings. Alright, enough of the advantages, let's go over some of the disadvantages. Rodents cannot chew through copper, but they can chew through PEX. Sunlight does not degrade copper. If PEX is exposed to the sunlight for a long period of time, it's going to damage it. Copper's been around a lot longer than this PEX. In other words, copper is more proven with a longer length of time. Now, as far as CPVC and PVC go, I've seen these plastics get brittle over time. I've seen that the PEX tubing stays more supple. Nowadays, I make my long runs with the PEX tubing, and I still make my manifolds out of copper. Using PEX makes it a lot easier. Copper's really expensive, but I have had a lot less problem with this PEX tubing than copper. Will it last as long as copper? Time will tell. More and more, I'm willing to take a chance on PEX tubing.